Subscribe to the Coding Umpire channel and press the bell icon to watch the latest videos.
Hello friends, welcome to all of you, in my YouTube channel, Coding Umpire. In today's video we will learn about bracket in function, and how to use it. Let's see. What is bracket in function? Sometimes you will need to use brackets, also known as braces, in formula. This is to ensure that the calculations are performed in the order that you need. The need for brackets occurs when you mix plus, or minus, with divide or multiply. You can see, we have two examples. Example 1, and Example 2. Let's solve Example 1. Here we have 3 digits, and we want to add 30 plus 10, and multiply it by 2. You may expect that 30 plus 10 would equal 40. And then, 40 into 2 would equal 80. Note, mathematically speaking, the multiply and divide are more important than plus and minus. The multiply and divide operations will be calculated before plus and minus. So, the multiply is calculated first. Excel sees the calculation as 10 into 2 resulting in 20. And then 30 plus 20 resulting in 50. Come to the example second. Here we will use bracket in formula. Let's see. By placing brackets around 30 plus 10, Excel performs this part of the calculation first, resulting in 40. And then the 40 is multiplied by 2, resulting in 80. This is the use of bracket in formula. I hope you'll like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.